A historic night for South African football. Bafana Bafana have advanced to the FIFA World Cup knockout stages for the first time in the country's history, securing their spot after a gritty 1-0 win over South Korea in their final Group A clash at Estadio Monterrey on Thursday morning, South African time. Thapelo Maseko's 63rd minute strike sent Bafana Bafana through as they finished second on the table with 4 points. They will now face the co-host Canada in the round of 32 in Los Angeles on Sunday. And Thapelo Maseko walks away with the man of the match. He truly deserves it. He was amazing throughout the game. Heartbreak for the Koreans, who settled for a third place after starting the campaign promisingly, beating Czechia 2-1, only to collapse and lose the other two group games. But for South Africa, it's history as they go to the next round with heads held high after dusting themselves from a devastating 2-0 defeat by Mexico in the tournament opener, and had to rally back from 1-0 to secure a 1-1 draw with Czechia, and finally winning their last group match. So it seems like Bafana Bafana have been building up in this tournament. They started badly and then they improved. It was a perfect show of character by Bafana, who went into this match against South Korea with nothing short of victory needed for them to progress to the knockout stages. Many wrote them off saying that they are heading home. Many wrote them off saying that they are one of the worst teams in this tournament. But they proved the doubters wrong in a game that Hugo Bros started with an attacking starting lineup, contrary to the one that he started with in the tournament opener against Mexico. Here's the starting lineup that Hugo Bros started with: Ronan Williams, Aubrey Mudiba, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Ime Okhone, Khuliso Mudau, Talente Mbatha, Siphephelo Sithole, Relebohile Mofokeng, Ozwina Police, Thapelo Maseko, and Evidence Makgopa. The intentions was not to come into this match to draw but to win. And Siphephelo Sithole, who replaced Teboho Mokoena, who's out with a suspension, partnered Talente Mbatha in midfield, and he was amazing. He redeemed himself after that bad performance against Mexico where he got a red card. It was an amazing performance from him, an amazing performance from all the Bafana Bafana players. They dominated the game from start to finish. They went to half time with so many chances created, and we thought that maybe it will be the story of the game. However, they came in the second half and they won. Here's the domination of Bafana Bafana. They had 14 shots to 7 of South Korea, 4 on target, South Korea with 2. Even though they had little position, they had 31% ball position, with South Korea with 69. However, with that 69, they were not attacking Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana, every chance they got, they were attacking. What a moment for South Africa. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this performance by South Africa, who were written off? Everyone had booked their plane to say that it's time to go home, but now they are not going anywhere. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.